Legoland Florida factory tour. First, we will visit the granulator. It is loaded with ABS plastic. Here, these tiny pieces of plastic, called granules, are put into the giant hopper and sent through these tubes in very precise amounts. There are over 50 different colors that Lego bricks can come in. Our next machine is the heater and molder. The granules then make their way to the heater. During this process, the granules are heated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving it the consistency of bread dough. The molds are then pressed together with between 25 and 150 pounds of pressure, depending on the element being produced. It takes 7 seconds to cool and then eject the new elements. Moving on is the printer. This step is optional in the Lego making process. Today, each brick is being printed with our very own Legoland Florida factory tour logo. After this, we reach quality control. One of the key features of the Lego bricks throughout their history is that they are first and foremost part of a system. Each new series and set that is released is compatible with the rest of the system. Lego pieces, regardless of their size, shape, or function, fit together with all other Lego pieces in some way. Concludes our Legoland factory tour. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed your tour and have a great rest of your day here at Legoland Florida.